parts, the audio. All cameras, first of all, DSLR has the worst audio. Okay, worst audio, because it's not designed for that. For example, Canon, even you use a microphone, it does not give you good result, because that level of quality of image, they suppose you have a separate device for the recording. Okay, they're not designed for that. You need to have a separate recording. Like if I make a short film, I use Canon body and 5D, or I use a 6D. I have a few, and then I use a separate recorder for the voice, for the voice track, so I can put them together, cut them together. Because if you use only Canon, even with the best microphone in the world, it won't work. Okay, so it means DSLR, no matter what you do, you won't get satisfactory professional quality audio. Okay, this is another point. Okay, and all the video camera, like a video camera, it has a microphone. Okay, already built-in microphone, but for these microphones, it does not have a direction. It picks up all noises from everywhere. So this is why every time you record anything with the built-in microphone is so noisy. Okay, the surrounding. People's ear and the camera are different, because in people's ear we can filter things. Filter, yes. So if you talk to someone far away, and you can filter.
We can focus and filter out all the.
Yes, you don't listen much about surrounding noises, but you can listen to the people talk, but not the machine. The machine cannot choose. It picks up absolutely everything. Okay, for example, if I talk and my chair kiki with sound, you don't notice when you talk with me, but the camera pick up all the sound. Okay, so this is why you cannot use the built-in microphone, especially when you do talk show. Okay, if you go outside, there's no narration, no nothing. Maybe you can use it just for all the surrounding sound. Is okay. You want that kind of a feeling or quality. But if you want to talk, then you cannot use. You need a microphone. Okay. So what microphone is the best microphone? There is no best microphone. You can be very expensive, okay? Can be very, very cheap. Can be extremely cheap. In fact, the microphone holding now, the beautiful lady hold for me, now is, sorry to say it again, the cheapest microphone I ever had. I have the most expensive microphone, cost like $3,000. Okay, German. Neumann. Okay.
Are you crazy?
Yes.
Okay.
If you listen to my song or my music, it's all brand. I have Rode. I have many other brand microphones. Even for the video, I always carry 3 microphones with me. Okay, this is the most expensive one. This one go together with Canon.
I thought it was most expensive because of the fuzziness.
No, you can take this away. This,
this
is just a fake. Okay.
Oh,
yes, you can take it away. But this can only go together with Canon. This is for Canon use only, but does not produce the best quality because it's so noisy, and the sound is not clear. It's not how can I put it? It's not sound does not sound like original.
Well, it doesn't.
失真，有点失真。失真。Moment. 声音失真。
Sound distortion.
Distortion is not distortion. It means that does not sound very much like your original sound or original voice. Okay, it has
Well, that's what distortion is.
Yeah, okay.
So distortion, yeah,
Distortion.
will change the sound.
So it will change a little bit of the sound, and you feel, oh, is this my voice? Okay, but this is very expensive. Together with Canon, can only be used with Canon. Okay. And I have this. This is the most frequently used microphone when I go traveling. It's very small, very light, and it can go with all kinds of camera. For example, if I can just sit in here. I can just plug in. It works like this way, or I can put it this way when I do narration. On the back, I just talk like this. Okay, I talk like this. This is very handy, and I bought this microphone in Japan, and no brand.
Oh, generic?
Generic. This is a generic.
This is OEM.
I don't know.
Yeah, OEM. So it's just from. It's probably based on the name brand. But
No. Okay, I bought this in Japan for like $40. $40 for a microphone is very cheap. Okay, I bought this for $40, and I checked the brand, and finally the only information I got, this is made in China. Okay, then I went to China. I'm looking for the same kind of microphone. I tested many. None of them sound as good as this one. None of them. So it is possible the Japanese company going to China, trying to make something, the quality, trying to make their own brand, something, or they stopped. And then later, I want to buy another one. No more.
Oh, wow.
Okay. I only got one. So this is worn up now, and everything's falling apart. But
that though, right?
yeah, but this one I've been used everywhere, like a South America trip and everywhere. And most of my videos are from this cheap microphone. It produces beautiful sound, and far better than I have a Rode, I have other expensive ones, and better than those things. I'm sorry to say this. Okay, so this is the only one I have get. And the 3 microphones I have with me, of course, I have many in Japan. When I travel, the cheapest one is this one, and produce the best quality. Produce the best quality. I bought this microphone in China. Also generic, no brand, because it looks nice and it's cheap. I don't remember how much I paid, like $20 or something, or maybe less. Anyway, I paid very little money for this microphone. And later, I checked the internet. I found the brand. There's another brand, as a German brand or something, exactly the same, everything same. 5 times more expensive, and I bought one. Because I'm the crazy guy, I like to do comparison, I bought one, and I tested the sound. Even for my professional ear, I cannot tell the difference. The look, exactly, everything exactly the same. Even the cable, everything exactly the same. Then I bought another one. I bought 2 of this. I left one in Malaysia. Okay, because I like a little boy, a young boy very much, and I love him. So I just let him to use the other one, and I have one for myself. Then after some time, I said, this is such a good microphone. Maybe I can make some money from it. I can sell it. Then I contact this seller. They say, we are not allowed to sell anymore. So why? Because the company got angry. What company? This is the company produced the German microphone. The German company going to China asking them to make microphone. They made microphone, and the maybe Germans will pay them like $10 or something. I don't know how much they have to pay. So they said, okay, we just want to pay $5 more to sell by ourselves without name. So exactly the same microphone, they sell so cheap. Many things like this in China, the violin cases, and so many companies, shoes especially, the Nike and New Balance, all this brand things, and the Gucci, all these bags, they're made in China. They make more. if the company says, oh, okay, you have like 300 workers, maybe you can make this a month. They don't know the Chinese people can work 3 times more. Why? Because they work 3 shifts. So they make more products, okay, then they sell them under. This is why some people put a fake and go into the company cannot tell the difference. They say, oh, this is genuine, you know. So this is another case. I'm so lucky I bought 2 of this brand. I have 3 of them. Okay, 1 is with a brand, 2 is generic. Generic. Oh, yeah. Okay, but exactly the same quality. So this is a very high quality microphone with very low price. Okay, so you have to try. Of course, you don't have to be like me and I'm crazy. I don't care, you know. I do this for fun. I have many microphones, and my relatives, my friends, and they all have my microphone, my cameras. Yes, I still have so many video cameras in Japan. If you want to buy, of course, you can get it very cheap too. I'm not here for selling things, okay? Make it clear. Okay, I'm not here for selling things. Those things does not make much money. Does not make money at all, actually. I make money from my violin strings, So I think that's the end of the video, and I just want to tell you, you have the right camera, you have the right mic, does not guarantee you make videos. I mean, the image, the technical side only. Okay, of course you can make something very interesting, very funny, and has a beautiful content. But if you want to present it good. Recently I've seen some real estate videos. Some of them, they appear to be so professional with the suits, with good shoes, and walk and start to talk. It's like a show, hello, welcome to real estate, and my name is this, that. Oh, you should, but got all these echoes, and the room, and it's so amateur. It's so funny to see such amateur quality video. They appear to be so professional,
serious.
So serious. Oh, I'm doing something great. If you come to Las Vegas, you must know this and that, and I'm the one to tell you. And if you have any problem, please contact me. I'm the one to help you. Otherwise, you will be in deep shit trouble. But with this voice, like, it's this kind of voice.
Yeah.
How can I hear? It's hard to listen. So now I tell you again, practice makes perfect. Okay, and if you wanted to buy, okay, I don't want to say this. It's going to be commercial again. Anyway, at this end of the video, and make my point again. You don't need DSLR making YouTube videos. You can use it for other purposes. It's an absolutely good camera, but not for this purpose. For YouTube videos, video camera is sufficient, good enough, or even a cheap one. But make sure you have an audio jack, okay? The audio can in. 2, you need to have a microphone, and you need to know how to use the microphone. Like this microphone, it has have 2 choices. 90-degree angle, 120-degree angle, or some microphones even have a tele, T-E-L-E, tele function. It means that someone's far away, you have to pick up the sound. It gets very narrow, Don't
kind of like a zoom.
Like a zoom. You don't pick up sound from any other sides, and you pick up straight from there. I have one. I bought like $40 something from China, also Chinese made. Someone did a comparison with that with Rode. Then I found the Rode microphone from Australia. It has a artificial deepened sound. It sounds deeper, more beautiful than your voice. So if my voice is like this in this camera, but this is German camera, I mean German brand. Actually, no, original German, supposed to be German brand microphone. It gives you the real sound of yourself. But if you use some cheap Chinese microphone, it could sound like this. It does not have enough bass. But if you use Rode, the Australian camera, it will sound like this. You know, it gave you like a broadcasting voice.
No, that's not good. I don't want to sound like
that. Anyway, it's kind of a nasal sound. Also, during my recording, I realized that. And I use this German Neumann and 87, I think it's 87. It's a microphone. It's not the best in the world. All studios use that microphone. You don't have that microphone, you don't have a recording studio, okay? That really gives the real sound. If you make mistakes there.
Ooh.
It's very difficult to control, you know. It does not cover any mistakes. And of course, it reveals all the good parts too.
Yeah.
But for Rode, especially the N, I don't know, NA or something, it deepens the sound. So actually, when I was trying to copy Elvis Presley, this is the moment, it gives a beautiful result. Better than the expensive ones, you know. And when I was trying to copy somebody else, the cheapest microphone, like Shure 58, I think Shure 58 works beautiful. Sounds really like 1970s, you know, the voice. So you got to know how to use the equipments. All equipments have character, and you got to know there's no good or bad. You got to know how to use them, make the best result of your purpose. Okay, thank you for
listening.
Yeah. For Mercedes Nobbins today, help me as an assistant sit here with me and hold the microphone for me and Gokuro-sama. Thank you very much. Arigatou gozaimasu. Gracias. And tusen tak. Yes.
You're welcome.
Danke. Hope you like the video.